The nation bids farewell to Sir Howard. Prime Minister says, let's take responsibility for Jamaica, and Independence Gift unveiled. With Jamaica House Weekly, I'm Simone Wolfe. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller joined hundreds of mourners who converged on the Holy Trinity Cathedral in Kingston Friday to pay last respects to the late former Governor-General Sir Howard Cook.
Among the most enduring life lessons taught to us by Teacher Cook himself is that there are no heights of achievement to which the poorest and the most humble Jamaican cannot rise if we work hard and live a life of utmost integrity.
Sir Howard was laid to rest in the National Heroes Park. The island also observed 2 days of state mourning for the former head of state on Thursday and Friday. Minister of Water, Land, Environment and Climate Change, Robert Pickersgill, represented Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller at the Michael University College, where Sir Howard's body was lying in state on Thursday.
He's such a people person and had this quality of looking after the dispossessed and the vulnerable. And of course, that is what would have caused him to have done so well in representational politics. We shall miss him. But in missing him, we know that his memory will live on for a variety of reasons.
On Wednesday, the Prime Minister attended an Independence Day parade at King's House, where she called on Jamaicans to take responsibility and be accountable for their actions. Using this year's Independence theme, This is Jamaica, My Jamaica, the Prime Minister encouraged citizens to unite towards the common purpose of building the Jamaica they desired.
This is Jamaica, my Jamaica, means that in the face of our most severe drought in recent memory, we must take personal responsibility for conserving water. We must make the necessary sacrifices. The issues we face are national and broad-based, because this is our Jamaica. Each Jamaican must own and contribute to mitigating them. Personal responsibility means that we look out for our neighbor and our neighbor's children, that we protect the weak and vulnerable in our communities, and take care of the elderly, the disabled, the sick, and the lonely.
Later in the evening, Mrs. Simpson Miller participated in the Independence Grand Gala celebrations held at the National Stadium.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm delighted today to declare Section 2 of the North-South Highway open as an Emancipendence 2014 gift to the people of Jamaica.
Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller opened the Mount Rossa bypass last Tuesday. With the opening, motorists can expect a 40% reduction in travel time between Kingston and St. Anne. The roadway will not attract a toll fee for a month until September 5. Jamaica received another gift Thursday with the opening of the repaved Leela Robinson Netball Court at Independence Parks Limited in Kingston.
I am appealing to members of the community and users of the various sporting facilities. Protect these spaces. Be vigilant and manage them in a way that they will be able to be available for those to come generations later. I also want to encourage all Jamaicans to fully utilize these facilities so that we can be a fitter, healthier, and more active population.
The renovation was done at a cost of $23 million. And on Thursday, Prime Minister Simpson Miller welcomed Canadian Senator Don Meredith to Jamaica House. Jamaican-born Meredith was on the island for the Independence Day parade at King's House. The two spoke of strengthening cooperation between Jamaica and Canada. And that's it for this week's edition of Jamaica House Weekly. Join us next time for the latest stories coming out of the office of the Prime Minister.